Hey, welcome to the Ozzstar channel. I'm Glen, and today I want to show you what I use to clean a transmission or an engine if you happen to be pulling it out of the vehicle. I'm putting a new clutch along with a whole bunch of other stuff like a rear main seal, which is part of the problem why we have so much grease and oil on this transmission. The valve cover was leaking for a long time, and that stuff just goes down the side. So I just want to show you real quick what I do. First of all, safety is the most important thing. So number one thing is make sure you don't wear your clothes that you'd wear to church on Sunday. Wear something, you know, that you don't mind getting dirty, because it is going to be pretty messy. Safety glasses, they're definitely a must. Put them on your eyes. They don't work good when you put them on your hat, that's for sure. But put those on your eyes because this stuff can splash, and some of these chemicals are pretty caustic. Gloves are good. You could use the black nitrile. These are just thinner, regular cheapo nitriles. They don't cost too much. You need a bunch of shop towels or paper towels. I use an air hose. If you don't have an air compressor, that's okay. But after you spray the solvent on, if you give it a little toot, you know, some air, it definitely tends to break up the grease a little better. Sorry if I'm squinting, the sun is out strong today. Let me take you over here and show you basically what chemicals I use. Let me aim you down for a second. So right here, oops, there we go. Right here, I use brake clean, use any flavor you want. Engine degreaser is good stuff. This stuff foams up like crazy, so it actually stays on there and soaks into the grease. And then I use some of the citrus. So anything that has citrus in it is acidic, and that helps tend to break it down. And I'll use the combo. I'll probably pre-soak with this. Then I'll use a small, I got to show you the brush over here. Let me get back over here and show you here. Get some of these cheapo little wire brushes to scrub. And as you can see inside here, I didn't do this yet for you guys. I did the sides, and I'm not making this perfect. I just want to get it clean. And what it does is, I mean, actually helps keep heat out, because it lets the grease acts as an insulator, so that lets that out. It doesn't drip on your driveway or somebody else's driveway. And the other thing is, if you have to get under there and work, whether it's on the engine or the transmission in the future, it's just much cleaner and neater to do it. But if you can see here, there's all kinds, and I actually did hit this once already, but all this grease is built up. I mean, it's pretty nasty stuff. And I'll soak it down. I'll take my citrus cleaner. Now what I'm getting ready to do is remove this bell housing, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea. So I'll soak it, pre-soak it with that. Then I'll usually hit it with the brush real quick. So just scrub it down. Hopefully you can see that stuff is like breaking up. Let it soak for a little bit, you know, 10-15 minutes. Keep it wet. I am outside and in the shade. That's also very important that you have really good ventilation, because some of this stuff is, you know, the fumes, especially the brake clean, is nasty. And here's that degreaser, and just hit that real quick. See how it foams up, which is good. I'm not gonna let you guys wait, you know, 10 minutes or whatever, but so that'll soak in and make it even softer. And then what I wind up doing is, you know, I may have to do this several times. Obviously, it's really caked on, and in here it seems to be pretty well caked on. And there you go, I just broke my cheap bristle brush. Awesome. Good thing I got a bunch more. That's all right, the handle's just a little shorter now. I got a bunch of them. Go to Harbor Freight and buy them for like $1 to $3. And then what I'll do is I'll take my brake clean and whatever flavor you want, whatever's on sale, and just hose it down, man. Get it as good as I can. And this one's draining. I'll show you that in a second, what I got set up here. But you see how much cleaner that is? I don't need it spotless. I just need to get all this goop out of here. Let me show you on top. Let me take you off the tripod. So you can see, I might put some screenshots of the before here, but how much cleaner this is. You know, like you can actually touch this now and not have to worry about getting filthy. But what I do is I buy these, and they're pretty inexpensive. You can go to the big box hardware stores. This is a tub used for mixing cement. So you put a bag of cement in there and mix it up. That's what I'm using. So you can see that pond down in there. And what I can do later is just throw some kitty litter in there and just absorb it all up. But it works really good. I already got all this done. You can see where I didn't get it done. And I started hitting it and brushing it. But what a difference. I mean, it takes, you know, a half hour. What I do is block off any of the holes that you don't want this chemical getting into like where the shifter was or the seal in the back or anything like that. Definitely block that stuff off. So that's that. I hope that helps you out if you're doing this. Take your time, use the safety equipment. That's the most important. And I'm sweating like a big dog here. So thanks for joining. Check out some of my other videos. I'm sure I'll have a clutch removal if you're interested on this one. So see you on the next one. Subscribe, like, comment. Take it easy.